students, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do rational numbers. Our learning objectives are rational numbers, equivalent rational numbers on number line, rational number in simplest and standard form, comparison of rational numbers, rational number between two rational number, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational number. So first is rational numbers. The numbers of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0 is called rational number. ऐसे नंबर जिसको हम p by q की फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0, that are called rational number. Thus each of the number 5 by 6, minus 6 upon 11, minus 13 upon 9, 6 upon minus 13, all these are rational number. Next is positive and negative rational numbers. A rational number is positive if its numerator and denominator are either both positive integer or both negative integer. For example, 5 by 8, that is a positive rational number. Minus 7 upon minus 11, because minus se minus cancel ho jayega, so that is also a positive rational number. So all these are example positive rational numbers. Clear? A rational number is a negative if one of the numerator or denominator is positive integer and other is negative integer. For example, minus 5 by 8, 5 upon minus 8, minus 17 upon 21 and 17 upon minus 21. All these are example of negative rational numbers. The number 0 is the number, but it is neither positive nor a negative rational number. Next is properties of rational numbers. Every natural number is also a rational number. For example, 8 is a natural number which can be written as 8 upon 1. 8 को हम 8 upon 1 की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, thus making it a rational number as well. Every whole number is also a rational number. Every integer is also a rational number. Every fraction is also a rational number. Division by 0 is not allowed. So a rational number cannot have 0 in the denominator. Next is equivalent rational numbers. By multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer, we obtain another rational number equivalent to the given rational number. For example, 3 upon minus 5. So here, what we'll do? 3 upon minus 5, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. Minus 1 से multiply करेंगे, so we'll get minus 3 upon 5. 3 upon minus 5, we'll multiply both the numerator and denominator by same non-zero number. दोनों को minus 2 से multiply किया, we'll get minus 6 upon 10. So all these are equivalent rational number. Two rational numbers are said to be equivalent if one can be obtained from the other by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. Now we'll take an example. Find the 5 rational number equivalent to the rational number 2 upon minus 3. So what we'll do? We multiply both the numerator and denominator by first like 5 rational number find करने. So first 2 say, then 3, then 4, then 5 and then 6. So we'll get 4 upon minus 6, 6 upon minus 9, 8 upon minus 12, 10 upon minus 15 and 12 upon minus 18. All these are equivalent rational numbers. Next is representation of rational number on the number line. Step 1. Draw a number line given below. Divide each unit of length into many equal parts as the denominator of the rational number. Example समझते हैं. Represent minus 3 by 8 and 5 by 8 on the number line. The denominator of both the given rational number is 8. So they'll fall between minus 1 and 1. So we will divide the unit into 8 equal parts. दोनों का denominator 8 है, so will fall between minus 1 and 1 because minus 3 is a negative number. Since the numerator of minus 3 by 8 is minus 3, so we'll count 3 parts from the left of 0 because negative number है, so left of 0 8 equal part में divide किया, जो third part है that will represent minus 3 by 8 and from the right of 0 fifth part will represent 5 by 8. Clear? Next is rational number in simplest and standard form. Simplest form or lowest form. The rational number p by q is said to be in the simplest form if p and q both have no common factor other than 1. To convert the rational number into the simplest form, we divide the numerator and denominator by their HCF. For example, the simplest form of the rational number minus 6 upon 14. So what we'll do? We'll divide the numerator and denominator by their HCF. 2 से divide किया, so we'll get minus 3 by 7. This is the simplest form. Clear? Next is standard form. A rational number is said to be standard form if its denominator is positive and it is in the simplest form. For example, 3 upon 11, 5 upon 11 and minus 7 upon 11 are the standard form of a rational number because all are having positive denominator and they are in lowest form. Now we'll take an example. Express each of the following rational number in standard form. 50 upon minus 80. So first, what we'll do? We'll take the HCF of 50 and 80, that is 10. So we'll divide both the numerator and denominator by 10. So we'll get 5 over minus 8. Now we have to make the denominator positive. For that, we'll multiply both the numerator and denominator minus 1. So we'll get minus 5 by 8. That is the standard form of given rational number. Next is comparison of rational numbers. To compare two negative rational numbers, we compare them ignoring their negative signs and then the reverse of order. For example, to compare minus 9 by 7 and minus 7 by 3, we first compare 9 by 7 and 7 by 3. So first denominator same करेंगे. So that is equals to 27 upon 21 and this is equals to 49 upon 21. Now denominator are same, we can compare the numerator. The greater numerator will be greater rational number. So 9 by 7 will be less than 7 by 3. Now we'll put the sign minus 9 by 7, then minus 7 by 3. Clear? Next. A positive rational number is always greater than a negative rational number. For example, 1 by 5 greater than minus 3 by 7. To compare the rational number with the numerator and denominator both negative, reduce them into their standard form and then compare. For example, we have to compare minus 4 upon minus 5 and minus 6 upon minus 8. So we'll write in their standard form. So standard form में minus 4 upon minus 5, that is 4 by 5 हो जाएगी and minus 6 upon minus 8 की हो जाएगी 3 by 4. Now we can compare 4 by 5 and 3 by 4. So first we'll take the LCM and make the denominator same, that is equal to 16 upon 20 and 15 upon 20. Now denominator same, so we'll compare the numerator. So 16 upon 20 will be greater than 15 upon 20. So we can say 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5, or we can say minus 4 by upon minus 5 will be greater than minus 6 upon minus 8. Clear? Next is comparison of rational number by cross multiplication. To compare two rational number p by q and r upon s, we compare the cross product numerator of first to the denominator of second से multiply करेंगे and numerator of the second multiply by the denominator of the first. So इस तरीके से cross multiply करेंगे p into s and q into r. Clear? Now p by q will be greater than r upon s if p और s का जो product है that is greater than r and q के product से. Clear? P by q is less than r upon s if p into s is less than r into q. Now we'll take an example. Compare minus 6 upon 13 and 10 upon minus 17. So first we'll convert them into standard form. So इसकी standard form हो जाएगी minus 10 upon 17. Next, now we'll cross multiply minus 6 into 17 and 13 into 10. Minus 10. So minus 102 and minus 130. So as we know, minus 102 is greater than minus 130. So we can say minus 6 upon 30 greater than minus 10 upon 17. Clear? Next, know it. We do not need to compare the positive rational number and the negative rational number by cross multiplication because any positive rational number is greater than every negative rational number. Clear? Next, rational number between two rational numbers. There is a marked difference between the natural numbers and the integer. No one side of the rational number on the other side. The number of natural number between two natural numbers is limited. For example, between 5 and 10, we have 4 natural numbers, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Similarly, between two integers, we have limited number of integers. For example, between -5 and 2, we have 6 integers, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1. But the number of rational number between two rational number are unlimited. Let's see how is so. Take any two rational numbers, say -1/2 and -2/7. Convert them into equivalent rational number with the same denominator. So, first we will take the LCM and convert into the rational number with the same denominator. So, -7/14 and -4/14. Now, we know that -7/14 is less than -4/14. So, -7/14. So, we have to write the rational number between these two rational numbers. So, -7/14, -6/14, -5/14, -4/14. So, we have found the two rational number -6/14 and -5/14 lying between -1/2 and -2/7. If we want to find more than two rational number between -1/2 and -2/7, then we can convert the denominator into any multiple of its LCM, say 28. So, -1/2, because we have to find more rational numbers. So, what we will do? Here we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 14. So, we will get -14/28 and यहाँ पे 4 से किया, so we will get -8/28. Now, we can find many rational number between these two. So, -13/28, -12/28, -11/28, -10/28, -9/28 and -8/28. Thus, the rational number -13/28, -12/28, -11/28, -10/28 and -9/28. All are rational number between -1/2 and -2/7. In this way, we can find infinite number of rational number between any two rational number. Example लेते हैं. Find 3 rational number between -3 and -4. So, we have to find 3 rational number between -3 and -4. So, what we'll do? Denominator हम दोनों का 1 कर देंगे. We have to find 3 rational numbers. So, what we'll do? Multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4. So, we'll get -12/4 and it will be -16/4. Now, we can write -15/4, -14/4, -13/4, -12/4. So, -15/4, -14/4, -13/4 are 3 rational number that are between -3 and -4. Clear? Next is exercise 3.1. Write the following integer as rational number. So, first is -1. We have to write it as rational number. So, we can write -1/1. This is how we will convert into a rational number. So, practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is addition of rational numbers. First is addition of two rational numbers with the same denominator. In order to add two rational numbers with the same denominator, we simply add their numerator and divide the sum by the common denominator. Let x by z and y by z be any two rational number. So, then we can define denominator same as, simply add the numerator x plus y upon z. That is the answer. Next, we will take an example. Add -5/18 and 7/18. Denominator same है. So, simply we will add the numerator. -5 plus 7 upon 18. So, that is equals to 2/18. Simplest form में change करेंगे, that is 1/9. Clear? Next is addition of two rational number with different denominator. As in the addition of unlike fraction, we first find the LCM of the denominator, then we find the rational number equivalent to the given rational number with this LCM as the denominator. Now, we can add like addition of the rational numbers with the same denominator. Example लेते हैं. Add -5/8 and 7/10. So denominator are different. So first we'll take the LCM of 8 and 10, that is 40. So now 40 divided by 8, first का denominator क्या 8, so 40 को divide करेंगे 8 से, we'll get 5. So multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5, so we'll get minus 25 upon 40. Same, we'll divide 40 by 10, so that is equals to 4. We multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4, so we'll get 28 upon 40. Now the denominator are same, so simply we'll add the numerator and write the common denominator below. So that is equals to minus 25 plus 28 upon 40, that is equals to 3 upon 40. Clear? Next is additive inverse. We have minus 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5, that is equals to minus 3 plus 3 upon 5, that is equals to 0. Also 3 by 5 plus minus 3 by 5, that is equals to 0. Similarly, minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is equals to 0. So we see that minus 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 add up to 0 both ways. We call 3 by 5 as the additive inverse of minus 3 by 5, and minus 3 by 5 is the additive inverse of 3 by 5. Similarly, 2 by 3 is the additive inverse of minus 2 by 3, and minus 2 by 3 will be additive inverse of 2 by 3. Additive inverse is a rational number is added to which we get 0. Next is subtraction of a rational number. Subtraction is the inverse of addition. We can subtract one rational number from another rational number by adding its additive inverse to it. For example, x minus y, that is equals to x plus additive inverse of minus y, that is plus y. Clear? So उसको add कर देंगे x plus minus y. If p upon q and r upon s are two rational numbers, then p upon q minus r upon s, that is equals to p upon q plus minus r upon s. Procedure of subtraction two rational number is same as addition of two rational number. We'll take an example. Subtract 3 by 5 from 7 by 9. 7 by 9 means 3 by 5, subtract करना 7 by 9 minus 3 by 5. So 7 by 9 plus additive inverse of 3 by 5. So that is equals to 7 by 9 plus minus 3 by 5. Clear? So first we will make the denominator same by taking the LCM. So that is equals to 35 upon 45 plus minus 27 upon 45. Now simply add the numerator and write the common denominator. So that is equals to 8 upon 45. Clear? We can also solve this question leaving the additive inverse line. Like 7 by 9 minus 3 by 5 है. So simply हमने क्या किया है, denominator को same किया है, 35 upon 45 minus 27 upon 45. Subtract कर देंगे, that is equals to 8 upon 45. Clear? Next is multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of the product of two or more rational number is just like the product of fraction. Product of two rational number, that is equals to product of numerator upon product of denominator. Thus, if p upon q and r upon s are two rational number, then p upon q into r upon s, that is equals to p into r upon q into s. Example लेते हैं. Multiply 10 upon 21 by 28 upon 45. So simply numerator को numerator से multiply करेंगे and denominator को denominator से. So 10 into 28 minus को हमने बाहर ले लिया है, 10 into 28 upon 21 into 45. So that is equals to lowest term में change करेंगे, so that is equals to minus 8 upon 27. Clear? Next is multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of a rational number. Minus 3 by 5 into 5 by minus 3, that is equals to minus 15 upon minus 15, that is 1. Means the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of a rational number is multiplied by which we get 1. किसी भी नंबर उसके multiplicative inverse का product क्या होगा, that is equals to 1. Multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of minus 3 by 5 is 5 upon minus 3. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 5 upon minus 3, that is minus 3 upon 5. So in this, the numerator will become the denominator and denominator will become the numerator. Next is division of a rational number. Division of rational number by another rational number. Division is the process of multiplication. Therefore, to divide by a rational number means to multiply by its reciprocal. If a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers such that c upon d that is not equals to 0, then we define a upon b divided by c upon d that is equals to a upon b multiplied by reciprocal of c upon d. So a upon b into reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा c upon d का d upon c. एग्जाम्पल समझते हैं. Divide minus 1 by 8 by 3 by 4. So minus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4 that is equals to minus 1 by 8 multiply reciprocal of 3 by 4 that is 4 by 3 that is equals to minus 1 upon 6. Clear? Next is exercise 3.2. Find the sum 2 3 by 14 plus minus 3 upon 7. First we change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 14 to the 28 and 3 that is 31 upon 14 plus minus 3 by 7. Clear? Plus minus minus हो जाएगा. So 31 upon 14 minus 3 by 7. LCM लेंगे. LCM equals to 14. 14 31 14 divided by 7 that is 2. 2 into 3 that is 6. So that is equals to 25 upon 14. Clear? Improper fraction है. So again improper fraction will change into mixed fraction that is equals to 111 by 14. That is our answer. Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is summary. The number in the form of p by q where p and q are integer and q not equals to 0 are called rational number. Two rational numbers are said to be equivalent if one is obtained from the other by multiplying its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. A rational number p by q is said to be the standard form if q is a positive and p and q have no common divisor other than 1. If x upon z and y upon z are any two rational number, then x upon z plus y upon z that is equals to x plus y upon z. Product of two rational number that is equals to product of numerator upon product of denominator. The multiplicative inverse of the reciprocal of the rational number is multiplied by which we get 1. Next is multiple choice question. Take the correct option. Which of these number is not a rational number? So 2 by 0 is not a rational number. Clear? So option D is correct answer. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now to practice it.